Today we will start chapter 13, India's neighbors. Look, this is map of India and neighboring countries of India are also shown in this map. Look, Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh. Look at the cursor. I am showing Bangladesh. This is Pakistan, Sri Lanka. This one is Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, China. These are our immediate neighbors, and Afghanistan. This is also our close neighbor. Look, this is northwest part of India. This one is northwest part of India, and here Pakistan is our neighbor. And in north part, in north direction, Nepal, Bhutan and China, and in east, Bangladesh and Myanmar, and in south, Sri Lanka is our neighbor. Okay, now we will discuss about policy of peace of India with neighbors. India has always followed a path of peace. India has never attacked any country for extending its territory. We maintain friendly relations with our other countries, with our neighbors. Our PM, Mr. Narendra Modi, also visited many countries to maintain good relations with those countries. In past also, this practice was followed by other prime ministers and presidents also. We believe in solving problems with mutual understanding through peaceful means. Now, SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, is an economic and political organization of 8 neighboring countries. These countries are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Maldives, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And now we will discuss about similarity of language between India and its neighbors. Here we will discuss the similarity of language between India and Pakistan. Pakistan came into existence only in 1947. Before that, it was part of India and share common history and culture. So there are many similarities like language, food and dress between India and Pakistan. Hindi and Urdu both are common languages spoken in India and Pakistan. Now, what is the similarity between Hindi and Urdu? Both these languages, Hindi and Urdu, are evolved from Sanskrit language, and this Sanskrit language is known as mother of all languages. Now there are some differences between Hindi and Urdu. First difference is Hindi language is written from left to right. When we start writing a sentence in Hindi, we always start from left side and it ended at right side. But Urdu is written from right to left. And second difference is script of Hindi is Devanagari and Urdu script is Persian Arabic and it is called Nastaliq. And third difference is Hindi uses vocabulary from Sanskrit language and Urdu uses vocabulary from Persian Arabic language. But both are linked to each other as Hindi uses words from Persian Arabic and Urdu also uses words from Sanskrit. So similarity of language is there between India and its neighboring countries. That's all for today. In our next lecture, we will discuss about similarity of food and dress.